there. So sometimes you might be having a issue or the trouble to access your newly created page, post, or custom post type. Why this is happening? Because you might be create a new post type or edit a new post type, or even you install a plugin who is added a new post type as like the post, media, forms, or similar something. But then you need to flush the permalink cache. So WordPress generate a new permalink, generate a new route to give you access to your newly created post or page you have just made, or even the custom post type. It could be like property, portfolio, testimonials, or whatever you have just done. Then when you visit, it will found this something weird page. Why it's happening? Because you have already know this. So the question is how you can fix this. So some plugins developer might be made mistake to flush the DNS cache after they have generated the custom post type, or something else we are not know at this moment. So how you can fix this? So you'll have to just go back to the settings, permalinks, and then go back to the bottom and just click to save changes. This is how the easiest way you can flush the permalink cache. You can also draw by WP-CLI, or it's called rewrite flush. So you can have this run this on your terminal. Whenever you have the WP-CLI access, then it will be flashed for you. This is how you can do this and get rid of the issue from your website. I hope that helps. Give it a try and let me know if you have any question on your mind. I'll be there to help you. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next time.